Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to use Frame Mask to build reusable design templates. Start by opening Photoshop and creating a new document with your desired dimensions. Select the Frame tool and draw placeholder frames for all key elements in your layout. Drag images or graphics into each frame. Photoshop will automatically clip them. Organize these frames logically and group related layers. Once completed, save this as a template file to reuse for future projects. You can also leave empty frames for client images or text updates. For faster workflow, label frames clearly and add smart objects if needed. This method ensures every